When what once seemed impossible to coexist, and what we believed couldn't be controlled, are mastered with precision, a new paradigm is born. Ioniq 6N. How you manage heat reveals the true capabilities of a high-performance EV. Ioniq 6N ends the compromise between power and heat. With a powerful 650 PS output, front and rear motor torque distribution is further optimized, maintaining peak power for longer durations. N battery optimizes battery temperature for ideal performance. In sprint mode, N Boost activates automatically when the accelerator is fully pressed. N battery also maximizes battery performance to ensure optimal output during track driving. Ioniq 6N delivers unwavering performance, powered by N technology. Ioniq 6N doesn't resist gravity. It redefines it. Through joint research with Pirelli, the tires are developed exclusively for Ioniq 6N. Engineered to meet the demands of high-performance EVs, they deliver enhanced grip and durability, even under extreme conditions like track runs and drifting, while also reducing noise. The 20-inch forged lightweight wheels enable agile cornering. Overall body rigidity has also been reinforced. Torsional rigidity has increased by approximately 19.8%, with structural reinforcements extending to strategic areas. Equipped with front and rear bushings that effectively absorb vibrations and shocks, Ioniq 6N offers both ride comfort and precise steering response. To maximize high-limit driving performance, the geometry was redesigned with a lower roll center. By integrating stroke sensors, Ioniq 6N delivers not only stable high-speed cornering, but also exceptional ride comfort. The physical braking system has also been upgraded. Enhanced durability ensures braking performance that matches the car's dynamic capabilities. An expanded ABS. Regenerative range up to 0.35 G resists fade, so peak performance lasts longer, corner after corner. N pedal enables agile cornering and quicker acceleration out of every turn. Your instinct for driving fun is undeniable. And Ioniq 6N responds to that instinct. It amplifies emotions once thought uncontrollable. The rhythm of shifting and the thrill of driving are delivered through light, sound, and touch. Motorsports-inspired gear setting ensures more intense driving experience. With N Track Manager, create your own track and challenge your limits on any track in the world. Record and share your driving moments from your favorite roads and racetracks. Controllability that lets you fully enjoy overwhelming performance. Technologies once thought unattainable now define the new paradigm of high-performance EVs. Driving still matters. Ioniq 6N. shines brighter in the darkness, and shadows grow deeper as the light grows stronger. When light and darkness come together, they reveal their true essence. Reason and instinct, softness and intensity, serenity and madness. Two opposites collide into one, destined to redefine the paradigm of high-performance electric driving. Introducing Ioniq 6N. When passionate tension meets intuitive balance, driving pleasure reaches an entirely new level. Ioniq 6N's re-engineered chassis features next-generation suspension geometry, enhancing road holding and handling performance. Stroke-sensing ECS dampers provide greater range between performance and comfort, set up to be ready and prepared for any driving moment. Pirelli P0 tires, exclusively set up for Ioniq 6N, offers optimum balance between high-speed stability and agile cornering. Ioniq 6N lets you fully immerse yourself in the drive. The upgraded sound system transforms your mood from everyday driving to an explosive roar of a high-performance emotion whenever you desire. The motorsport-inspired close gear ratio delivers a visceral shift feel. Powerful 0.6G regen brake ensures high brake endurance with fade resistance. N pedal utilizes strong regen to tuck in quickly into corners. The sophisticated blend between regen and hydraulic brake force is seamless and dependable. Ioniq 6N's attention to airflow balances low drag and downforce, resulting in a stunning design that offers greater high-speed stability. Redefining performance is much more than sheer power. It's about having full control over every ounce of performance. It's about capturing technology and emotion in perfect balance. Ioniq 6N isn't just a car. It represents a legacy of 10 years of pure passion carried by Hyundai N. Because at N, driving still matters. Ioniq 6N.